Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be doing a tutorial and review on the last palette from the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Vault. I can't believe that this is the last palette, but I will be doing a review and tutorial on the Ring the Alarm palette. Now we got beautiful oranges, we got purple, we got browns, we got golds, we got rose golds. I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this look here right now. If you want to see that, then keep on watching. I will also be giving you my thoughts on the overall Vault collection and all the palettes which I thought were my favourite and which I thought performed best. Again, keep on watching. Before you do keep watching, I want you guys to subscribe to my channel using this button right here. Go on, press it, and also hit the little bell beside it as well, so that each time I upload you will get notified of all my makeup content. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and let's get on. Hey guys, so I'm going to start with the last palette from the Jaclyn Hill and Morphe Vault, which is Ring the Alarm, and it looks a bit like this. In this palette we've got more orange tones, more burgundy, reds, golds, rose golds. I think this one, I'm hoping this one will work well, and we can create some nice look with this. So I'm going to start, and I'm going to go in with the first shade. I'm going to start with the shade Rush, this one here, and I'm just going to use this as the transitional shade. Okay, so that first shade is actually showing up quite nicely. You can see that it is like, it's quite light, but it's showing up really nice on my skin. For an orange in this palette compared to other oranges that I've used in the Almond and Gorgeous palette, this one is showing up really nicely and it's blending out really nicely as well. Okay, so next, just to deepen that up slightly, I'm going to go in with the shade Alert. Okay, so that shade's a lot deeper. Look how much nicer that's like standing out. It looks really nice, bold and bright. I'm quite liking that. And again, that shadow has blended really nicely and effortlessly. Okay, so next I want to go in with the shade Framed, which is this one here. Nice deep purple kind of burgundy shade. And I'm just going to put this one on my outer and inner corner. Okay, so far I'm quite liking how this is looking. I feel like that purple performed really nicely as well. It's really pigmented and it's blended out really nicely. I want to go in with a shimmer now, and I'm going to use this in the centre of my eyelid. So I'm going to use the shade On Camera, which is this one here. I like that. And it's nice and pigmented too, look at that. Okay, so eyes are complete. I'm going to quickly go away, do the rest of my face and come back, and then I will show you the final look and tell you my final thoughts on this palette as well. The last one from the Vault. We finally got to the last palette. All four have been tested, reviewed and done. I will be giving you my final thoughts overall, so I'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back with the finishing look. I've got to say I do love how this has turned out. I have also added on the shade that I added in my inner corner and outer framed underneath my eyes. I also added Alert underneath my eyes slightly as well, just to like give it a little smoky dramatic effect. I think that this palette in particular was very pigmented. It performed really nicely and I've been able to create quite a nice look with it as well, so I'm very happy with that. I want you guys to let me know what you think of this look as well, so comment section, let me know. I've got to say that filming and doing a tutorial on each of these palettes in the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault has been so much fun. I've loved doing it. I think that my favourite palette out of the vault was the Dark Magic palette. I don't know why, I just love greens and dark colours and blues. I'm just loving those kind of shades at the moment. I like the look that I've created as well, this dark purple gold spotlight eye look as well, with the Ring the Alarm palette. So I would say that those two are my favourite palettes from the vault. I think that those two as well actually perform the best out of the palettes from the vault as well. That's just my personal opinion. I might be wrong, but that's just how I feel. But yes, I'm happy with these. I like the looks that I've created. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching these videos and the looks that I have created. That is me done with the Morphe Vault. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you for another video.